Hey guys, today I'll build a parachute and I'll see you when I'm inside. Hello guys, now I'm back inside this from outside and now I will tell you how to build a parachute. First, you need a string or something. I mean, any string you have at home. I don't know what, but first we have to cut it into like on this piece. I have Daddy to help me cut tape. We got a cup and the cup we have at home you can use. I use a yogurt cup. And now you need two of the papers. You need tape to stick at the side and one ball at the middle. I'll show you how to stick. Guys, come and look closer. Okay, this is my hand and right, you just stick it at the middle. There. And that's this how clear it looks like. And now we put it right here. The two papers are sticky together. And next you need this. Actually, I can tie this. First, get one string right in this thing. Come closer. Oops, when I come closer, guys, and now just pull it up and put this hand over this, and now do you see that this hole with a foot? You see now you see that hole? Okay, I'll start again. Put there, put it over. Now you can see a hole. Just put this over here and make this under right here and pull this thing. But there you go. Now I just beat here and I just did all of these four strings that connect to a rubber band. And now you just need a cap that you need setting up. And here, there, and just put it right to the bottom and pick it up. And it's a little bit hard to do, guys. You need grown-ups to help. There you go. Oh my god. Oh no, the strings are getting messy. The strings are getting messy. Look at Daddy help me now. There you go. Then how you look so when you join them together. Looks like a jellyfish. And trying to stick this to the paper. Yeah, okay. Does Daddy helping me? Okay, there we go. Now I do by myself. Okay. This is the tape. This also clear. And put on. Let's start this thing on with this tape and turn back. And let's stick this. Okay, the last one that Daddy's helping me, then this is the tape. You can use any tape at home. Okay, there you go. We got the 4 tires.
Cut.
And I'll see you upstairs. I got this parachute. And this is the parachute that I built from downstairs. And let's test it out. That's Daddy that built guy down there. See? This is what you like. it. Oh, I forgot that. The wrong way. This one. And whee! Hey guys, let's try that parachuting again. Oh. Daddy, are you ready? Yeah. That blue guy is my daddy. Yeah. Let's pull this down. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Let's try the third time. That was a good one, but BBC. Great. Oh, 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 no. Guys, I will have the filming's time. I hope this works. Oh. Not again. And downstairs, and my daddy will drop my parachute from that window, and that is the white thing that is the parachute. And let's watch it. Okay, again. Yeah, guys, I see you on Pakhin. Click that subscribe button and that like button for more like this video and landing from upstairs to downstairs video. Please leave in the comments below. And this video is too long. I will see you on part 2. Bye.